So you're trying to start your YouTube video. You have recorded your videos and now you're like, what's next? How do I even record these videos? Especially if you're filming with your phone. I just did a recent video on my full YouTube setup of how I film and record my videos. Now in this video, I'll be showing you how I edit my YouTube videos using my phone. Now I use CapCut to edit my videos, and I find it so much easier to record my videos with my phone because I'm always on the go. I work full time and I do YouTube part time. So it's more easier for me to film with my phone so that I can record on the go. When I'm in my car, if I arrive at work earlier, I can hop onto my phone and edit, do a bit of editing. If I'm out and about and I'm really an introvert, right? And I'm not socializing, if you see me with my phone, I'm editing my YouTube videos. If I have my lunch break at work, when I have my lunch break, I set aside some time to edit my videos. So these are just some tips of how you can be productive running a YouTube channel part-time with a full-time job is to use your phone to record and edit. Now, I will be screen recording, so I'll be showing you how I do this using my phone. So let's jump right into the video. So now that we're in the CapCut app, you're gonna go to new project, and from there you're gonna click the new project and you're gonna click the selected video clips that you want from your gallery, from your video gallery, right? So I've selected this video here. So what I'm doing now, I'm going through, just scrolling through to see where I need to split or cut out if I make any mistake from here. Now this video seems as if it was a one-shot goal at the beginning. Sometimes it takes several attempts for me to start off a video right. So I'm going through looking where I paused or made any mistakes so that I can split and delete those sections of it. Now, CapCut has two versions. You can use the free version or the pro version. I will be using the free version. And with the free version, there are some restrictions compared to the pro version, right? At the bottom there, you can see where you can edit. Where you can add audio, text, and effects, overlay, and all that stuff. I'll be going a little further into those things right there, how to use them. So there I'm going through again, and I think right about here I want to add something right there. I want to add a text. So I went to the bottom and I hit text, and you can see where I'm right at the transitions, at the template, sorry, and I'm looking for a free one because I'm on the free version of CapCut. So there I found the subscribe. I like to add the subscribe around maybe 3 minutes into my video. So you can drag it to size it as you want. You can pull it. See, I'm dragging it to make it last longer or shorter. Now let's share my story with you. I started my YouTube channel right there at the side. So then I'm going through again to see if I made any further mistakes there. So right there, I'm looking through, and I want to add another text right there. It says sharing my story. So I went down to the bottom where it says text, and I'm just writing that in there in the template. Then I'm going into font, so you can change the font. All those pro, you see those pro fonts, those are the paid version. So I'm looking for a free one because I'm currently on the free plan. Then I go over to styles, so you can choose a style of the font that you want to write with. So there I chose that one, and you can also choose a color. So you can play around. That's yellow. I like to use teal. That's my branding color. So I change it to teal. You can change the side by dragging or pulling it in. Now let's look at the effects of this text. There are several different effects, and most of them are under the pro version of CapCut, right? So I'm just browsing through because I will be leaving it like that. Now let's go to animations. Now this is how the text will pop up on the screen. So I like to use, I think, the throw out one. And see, there are several different options there that you can choose from to how your text
shows up when you're talking on
2
the
years
screen. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll see that most times I try to use the same excuse me.
ago,
Most times I
just
try to use the
before I
same
hit
style, the
40,
same font,
right?
the same format, the same colors when I'm doing my videos. So there I'm going through again just to make sure that
So that's how I
everything
started
is
my
in
YouTube
order in
channel,
this video.
because
And if you want to see the full video of this, then you can subscribe because I will be uploading this video soon. So I'm going through, checking again. I want to show you a section where I'm going to split it, but seems like I got this one-shot video so perfectly done. Oh, there. I'm adding another subscribe here. So I like to add a few subscribe just to remind my viewers to subscribe. So again, I went into the templates, and when I went into templates, I went to social media. And when you go into social media, these are all the ones that you'll see. You see there, templates at the top, then social media there, highlighted. So I'm looking for another subscribe version that I can use. Scrolling up. So see, those are all the different options, but as I said, most of them are the pro. And if you are not familiar with CapCut, you don't have
something
CapCut
that you
as
want to
yet,
share to
I
help
will leave a link where you can go ahead and sign up for CapCut. I will leave it in the comments below.
somebody
So there I'm
life
just
a bit
adding like, comment,
easier,
subscribe. Just a reminder to my audience, to my
going
viewers, to you,
through that
and that's a good
experience that
opportunity for you to hit the like button right now, to comment how you're liking this video and to share it with a friend who might be interested in editing their YouTube video. So those are the things that I like to add in my video. And I'm going through again. Usually I will see when I pause, because when I'm doing my video, I do a one shot, a one take. So usually I don't stop,
film and record my
stop the video,
as
stop
a
the
woman in
camera, stop the
recording.
recording.
Thank you,
I
and I'll
keep
see you in
going.
my next video.
So
Bye
usually
for
I
now.
see that part of it. So here I'm saying bye, that's the end. So now we're going to split this part of the video. So we go back to the arrow, back here, we're going to hit edit, and we're going to put the cursor where we want it, and then we're going to say split. So you see right there at the end where it's split. Now I can delete that part of it because that's where I said bye and ended the video before hitting the stop. So right there at the end, I deleted that part. Now I want to add my outro. So I went back to add. You see the
Next
plus
video.
button
Bye for
right
now.
there. I went into my camera roll to add my outro because it's already saved in my phone. And if you want to see a video of how to do your outro in Canva, let me know. I'll do a video for you. So there, you can do the undo button, the little curve right there. If you make a mistake, you can just undo it, right? Now I'm going to take you to another video where I did much more arrows in
Hey
that one. And
trendsetters,
this is this
welcome
one.
back to the
Okay, listen
channel where
here.
we talk all things real estate, personal development, personal finance, and thriving on your way to
Okay,
personal.
you can hear that one. All right. So that's me trying to go over and over and over. Guys, if you're new to YouTube, don't be afraid to make mistakes. We make mistakes. Sometimes I have to do multiple takes for me to get it right. Okay. So I'm going through again and I'm going to find exactly where I started
Hey
off
there,
just right.
trendsetters.
So I'm taking my time finding it to get the first words
Hey,
out. So right there, see, I'm trying to find it to get it right so that I can split right there and delete the first part of it. So I put the cursor right there, then I split it and
hey there,
deleted that
trendsetters.
part. So
Welcome
here is
back to the
the
channel where we
version.
talk all things real estate, personal development, and your
Okay,
journey to
so you
financial
see how
freedom.
you
If you're
can
new here,
split.
welcome. I'm
when
Yashika
you're
Turner, your
editing your
go-to real
videos.
estate agent here in Hamilton, Ontario. Now, today we're going to be talking about something very
Have you
interesting
tried to edit? What tools are you currently using to edit your video?
here
Let me
in
know in the
Canada.
comment. I've used InShot before,
Your first
and now
home
I'm
here in
using
Canada.
CapCut. I like using both of them. I go back and forth in between. I didn't show how I use the overlay in this one. I think I'll have to do a part 2. If you need a part 2 of how to use the other features in CapCut, let me know in the comments. And now I'm going to add my outro here. Again, I went back in my camera roll,
Home
selected the
here
video,
in
then
Canada.
added that part. And my intro, then my outro. So I split, paused, and I added the intro. Now again, that's where I'm looking over my script and I want to cut that part out. So I find the right part before I start talking, and then I'm going to split that section and delete it. So there, once I add the intro, then I start talking again.
Seems overwhelming, and you might be thinking this is not really possible.
I'm checking
But
to
don't
see if
worry,
I
go
made
grab
any
your
further
favorite
mistakes
drink,
here so I
go
can
get your
also
pen and your
cut,
paper,
split
because
those
I
part
will be
out and
breaking
delete
it
them.
down into small digestible steps for you to
Okay,
make
it's
it as
looking good so
simple as
far.
possible. Now let's jump right into it.
And again, so right here, I'm looking down again at my script, so I want to cut that part out again. So I'm going back to see the last words. Then I'm going to put the cursor right there, go to edit.
So
split,
there you
cut
have
it
it.
out.
That is the behind the scenes of how I edit these videos to make them look almost perfect. So there you see the first video that I edited. That was a one-shot video where I was just free-flowing talking. And I will upload that video soon. You'll see that video soon. So if you're interested in starting a YouTube video as a woman over 40, look out for that video. Then in the next video, I showed you how I edited a video where I made several attempts. Now listen, although I've been in this YouTube game for 2 years now, I still make mistakes and I still have to do multiple attempts. And I have to do a lot of editing at times, depending on how good I am at or bad I am at while I am recording the video, right? That's why it's best. I like to do the video. Sometimes I plan that I'm going to record a video, but if I'm not feeling my best mentally or physically, I will have to put off recording because it depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes if I have a lot going on, I find myself having to do more retakes, which requires more editing. So I will plan that today is my YouTube recording day, but if things are not going well, I will put it off for another day because I don't want to be doing too much editing, right? So if you are thinking of starting your YouTube channel, and if editing and filming is your biggest struggle, your biggest hurdle, you see how I do mine. Very simple, very easy, and it is beginner friendly. This is how I started since day one using my phone. I go between InShot and CapCut Pro. So you can choose either one. Both are pretty much the same. So there you have it. You can edit, film, and edit your YouTube videos on your phone. It is that simple, that easy. Let me know in the comments your next video recommendation, and I will be doing a video specifically for you. One of my last comments on my last video of how I film and edit, one of my subscribers requested for me to requested that I talk about how I store my videos since I'm using my phone. So I think I'll be doing another video about storing storage while you're recording with your phone. So stick around for that one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.